Hey guys, hope you had a wonderful long weekend. I know I had a good weekend. Um, First slide, if you want to read, you can. Don't forget to fill out that reading log. But our objectives for today or objective is, I can read an article and then grade a summary and give feedback using the success criteria. So for the next few days, whether you're in person or at home doing this lesson, you are going to practice writing and looking for what makes a summary good. So we're going to go through these slides, look at an example, we're going to write our own, and I'll even give you an extra credit opportunity here at the end if you're watching or if you go through all these slides. So that is what we're doing today. Don't forget that you have a quiz on Friday. You'll be writing a summary for a quiz grade. We took a multiple choice one last Friday. Well, this Friday, you are going to get points for writing your own summary and following that success criteria, and that will be a performance grade. So let's review some of the steps. It looks like the Pear Deck, Mrs. Toller created this and she added some audio, but it's not showing up on mine. So if you want to click on that audio and the headphones pop up, by all means, feel free to do that, okay? So step one, we have to read the article. If we're summarizing it, we have to read it all the way through to really understand what's going on. And then step two, we want to figure out the central idea, topic plus what the author wants us to learn about the topic. And that's just one sentence. And then if we can figure out and fill in this chart, the who, what, where, when, why, and how, and any other important details. My class, I told you didn't really have to worry about the how as much as this stuff right here. So as long as you can do that, I am good with that. Step four is putting it all together. After you do the central idea, after you get the details, then you want to put it all together in a coherent paragraph, something that's properly written, includes all the details, but doesn't ramble on or repeat yourself. Okay, so this is where I'm going to have you go through by yourself now. In the Pear Deck, it will take you through and ask you a question. What you're going to do is click here for the actual article. You have to read through it and you have to be able to fill in everything. I'm just going to give you this one example here, or at least put it in your head as you're reading it. You don't have to necessarily fill out a chart, because what we've done here is written the central idea. Is it the correct answer? Yes or no? Okay, you simply have to fill that in. And don't forget, you are getting points for simply going through this slideshow, answering the questions, participating. So don't just go through here and click yes or no randomly, because I will be looking at that, and if it's not the right answer, then I'm not giving you credit. So make sure you are stopping at each Pear Deck and answering. And then at the very end is your extra credit opportunity. So if you have listened to me up to this point, good for you. This slide is also in your Pear Deck slideshow, so you can stop and read it if you'd like. But it is an extra credit opportunity, but you only get the credit if all parts of the success criteria are actually written in. So if you think you're going to write up just a 2-sentence little summary for me and think you'll get the extra credit points, that's not how this is going to work. You will have to write one using the correct success criteria, and it's over the same article that you'll read. So get on the Pear Deck, start your lesson for today, and have a wonderful Tuesday.